Okay, so this video is just gonna be the daily life of an American guy here in Cebu, Philippines. I'm here and I want to kind of make a video and just kind of show the cost of things. And basically it's just gonna be like a vlog style, what I'm doing in a day. So let's check it out. First thing I'm gonna do is get a massage. So this is gonna be the first massage I've actually gotten in Asia. I haven't gotten a massage since I've been here. And I don't know. It's just at this Thai massage spot here. So I don't actually like the Thai massages are good, but I don't like so much of the body bending stuff. So I think I'm just gonna get, it said Thai Swedish massage. So I don't know what that is. So we'll see, it should be nice though. So I'm gonna continue on this video about making nothing. And basically what I'm doing now is I just tried to drop off my laundry at this place here, but they're at lunch from 12 to 1. So they weren't there. So I'm just gonna drive around and see if I can find another close spot to get our laundry done, man. Okay, so I thought I got lucky. Right across the street, there's another place, same company. They're on lunch from 12 to 1. Fortunate. Oh, this lovely woman, she opened it for me. Hello, thank you. What time is it? It's 12:30, right? Mm-hmm. It's 12:30?
Yeah.
Wow, oh, thank you so much, I appreciate it. Yeah, I just gotta do these.
Okay. Rush or regular?
Rush is one day?
Yeah.
Yeah, rush please. Yeah, how much you gotta see the weight on this? Dirty clothes. What do we got?
Oh, 103.
Pesos?
Yeah.
Okay. So how many kilos is that?
1.750, 750. 1.750.
Oh, 1.75, almost 2 kilos?
Yes. Almost 1 kilo.
Okay. Oh, you guys do dry cleaning too, huh? Washing. Okay, there it was. So 24 hours, the rush service. I think it's 60 pesos per kilo, which is about $1 per kilo. And you get, that's gonna cost me like 105 pesos. So basically $2, which is a great deal, right? So yeah, I gotta get those cleaned up because I've been, between me and you, I've been wearing those shorts for like, I don't know, maybe 9 days straight now. I know. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get my hair cut. Oh, it's right here. That's the one. He did it. I just asked the gentleman, I should have recorded it. I said, hey, you know a good barbershop, sir? And he said, what? So he said it's around the corner over here. Oh man, so sketchy with the motorbike. He said, go around corner right here. I think this is it right here. I think this is the barbershop. Yeah, yeah. What's that? Is that soda?
It's Cobra.
Oh, Cobra? Okay. Hey, what's up, bro? Can I have water, please? Yeah, water. It's a nice barbershop. Yeah. How long have you guys been here for?
Almost 1 year.
Oh, 1 year? Yeah, nice, bro. So is that like, cause I went to another barbershop and it was like, it was 350 pesos for the haircut. So is that like the price? Cause you can get a haircut for like 100, right?
Yeah.
But like the good barbershops, like 300, 350?
400.
400, yeah, okay. Nice. Oh, what's up, bro? How you doing? You gonna cut my hair?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. So I don't know, I was just gonna get a regular haircut, but this is a nice barbershop. I think they do really good cuts, so maybe I get like a fade or something like that. Basically, like how it is now, but just shorten it. Yeah, I don't know. I guess you can put a fade. Can you see how they cut it before? Can you see the fade before? Yeah, maybe just like a fade. Yeah, whatever you think looks best, bro. Just like a fade and then like, cause when I put it down, I just go like this. You know what I mean? Because I'm like losing all my hair, so.
Maybe the girl,
Yeah, just, you know, just like this, but shorter. You know what I mean? Yeah.
okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And then I'll only record a little bit, all right?
Okay.
I'll just probably make this fast forward. So, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
We would appreciate
Yeah. So I just got my hair cut, and it looks pretty clean. I mean, I can't see the back of it, but I think it looks nice. And it's the gentleman that cut my hair. What's your name, bro, by the way?
Sir.
I'm sorry? Chuck? Oh, Chuck. All right, Chuck cut it. And then the name of this shop is
W Workshop.
Yeah, WW Workshop, and it's right. Where's it by the? Oh, it's right next to the Ayala Mall.
Yes.
It's right next to the Ayala Mall. And then I'll put a link in the description in the video too. So this is a good place. It was 300 pesos to get a haircut. So I think it was a good deal. Seems like that's the standard here, huh? For like a good haircut,
Yes.
it's like 300, 400, right?
But you really did found like the roots of the barber culture in Cebu.
This is it? This is the spot?
Yeah, this is the spot.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys started like this type of style barbershop here? Damn. All right. Well, we got the original right here.
Yes.
So.
That's the term, original.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, thank you. Well, listen. I think I hate to say it, but I think that's the video. That's the video. This is. I wanted to make a video like this. We'll see what happens. I want to see. It's kind of an experiment for the people that like to watch the videos. Probably watch it. For all the new people, they probably watched about 10 seconds of this video. But there it is. But anyways, let me know. I'm curious too. Let me know of some good places to visit here in Cebu. It's sunny now, but it's been I haven't hit the beaches yet because of the rain and multiple reasons. But there's a lot of nice beaches I need to hit here in Cebu. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Feels nice getting that fresh cut. Got my laundry done. Now all I gotta do is go to the gym, but I probably won't do that. So anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.